Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Susan Kagenda, and today I'll show you how we harvest potatoes here. I have some neighbors who came to help me to harvest, and I thank God for them. I have very good neighbors, and they help me a lot, and I'll show you how they are doing it. And guys, I thank you so much for supporting me and always being there on my side. Guys, I'm so much grateful for you. Thank you, and I'll say always thank you. Thank you for your support and everything, for your comments. And you make me feel like, oh my God, like I don't deserve it, but you have made me to develop some courage. You have given me so much love, and I thank God a lot for you. Be blessed always, and welcome. Remember to subscribe for those who haven't subscribed. Remember to click that notification bell so that whenever I post a video you will be able to see it. Welcome as I show you how they are harvesting these potatoes, and well, feel welcome. Stay tuned. Yeah. Here I have my potatoes, so I'm going to sort them. I sort them from the ones which I'll cut so that they can not make others to rot, and take the small ones which I will be used to plant next round, and then take the big ones which will be used for eating. Yeah, that is it. I'm so much grateful. At least I have a lot of food now, a lot of potatoes. Oh, don't worry, this is my storeroom. This is a store. Yeah, so I decided to put them down here, to spread them on the floor so that they can have fresh air and they won't go bad easily. Yeah, there we go. We will start picking the big ones. These are now the potatoes well softened, the small ones. These ones, these are the ones which will be replanted, and these ones are the fat ones which will be used to be before the rest, so that they cannot go bad, cannot rot. Yeah, and these big ones, these are the ones to be used for heating. Thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to subscribe for those who haven't subscribed yet. Like, share, comment, and say something. I love you guys. Bye.